The humor which we generally enjoy in the anime are not for everyone's cup of tea. Some might feel why people are enjoying this. So here we are with our comedy recommendation for our viewers. Simply based on my personal enjoyment of certain series. It's all my opinion, so feel free to disagree and watch the ones that speaks to you the most from the list. Let's not spend any more time and get right down to business. But before that, I urge you to smash the subscribe button as we will be posting consistently from now on. Maidens in your savage season. In their childhoods, Izumi Norimoto and Kazuya Onodera were like siblings, but as their bodies matured, Kazusa's affection for him changed. Kazusa's joined a book club to keep her distance from Izumi, who is concerned by her thoughts. The literature club is well known for reading out loud intimate parts from novels, which has stopped from them having a club advisor. After a while, the desire to be intimate consumes their thoughts. Wasteful days of high school girls. During the entry ceremony at Shinotama Girls High School, Akane Kikuchi, a want to be mangaka, was surprised to see her two best friends, Shiori and Tanaka, in the same class as her. Tanaka asks her strange classmates to introduce her to their male friends, realizing her ambition of being popular with boys. As a result, these high school girls' wasteful days becomes Chiyo's school road. Chiyo Miyamoto is a first year student who is frequently late for school due to her roadblocks, enthusiastic kabaddi player, and baffled motorcycle gang leader. She and her classmates are on a quest to discover the most efficient path to get school on time. Nichijo, My Ordinary Life. Mio Naganohara, Yuko Ayo, Mai Minakami are three childhood friends whose life become widely crazy as they become involved with Hakase Shinonome, her robot guardian Nano, and their talkative cat Sakamoto. These girls' once routine life have now become filled with events such as being bitten by a talking crow and witness the principal suplex a deer among many more. Azumanga Daihyo, Chiyo Miyahama, a plush doll collector and home cook, start high school where she meets other odd girls, Tomo Takina, a tomboy, Kiyomi, a girl with a quick fuse, Sakaki, an athletic beauty. Finally, Ayumu Kasuga, a new transfer student who is always on cloud 9. Not only that, but their homeroom teacher Yukari Tanizaki, a peculiar character who has been known to kidnap a student's bike in order to escape being late. This is a narrative of a group of girls going through the ups and downs of high school. Daily lives of high school boys. Hidenori, Yoshitake, and Tadakuni are three buddies from Sanada North High School, which is all boys high school. They are attempting to pass the time with their vivid imagination, which range from RPG reenactment to a chance of romantic encounter on the riverbanks at sunset. Their everyday lives are full of fantastic adventure of their own. Lucky Star, Konata Izumi, Tsukasa, and Kagami Hiragi, and Miyoki Takara are four cute high school girls who, in addition to their unusual friendship, make amusing commentary on anything they think of. They do so on a variety of topics, including Japanese culture, otaku culture, academics, and diverse ways to prepare and eat various meals. Nothing can be saved from their meditation to this world. Sayonara Zetsubo Sensei. School is one of those places where we spend a lot of time in, and it is often somewhere we don't want to be. We'd rather be anywhere else because it is super boring. Nozumu Itoshoki is a pessimistic high school teacher who attempts suicide when he has minus at night. This bizarre teacher of even stranger class 2F attempts to teach his student the horrors of the world, drilling into their mind the negative aspects of all life because he is such a pessimist. This is a narrative about Nozumi and her odd girl student who interact to learn about many parts of Japanese society. Strawberry Marshmallow. Whether it's establishing friends, going to school, attempting to get money, or celebrating a holiday, ordinary things from the foundation of life. This is a touching narrative of Ito Chika, her sister Nobue, and her friend Miu, Matsuri, and Anna in their daily life. Ichigo Mashimiro is about four elementary school girls and their sister. There is no Echi in this episode, but there is a lot of fan service. For some reason, the energy between them all makes for a truly unforgettable encounter. Their character features appears to be fairly conventional for a slice of life comedy, but the execution is significantly superior to that of other anime in this genre. Tonari no Saiki-kun. Rumi Yoki only wants to concentrate at school, but she is constantly distracted by Toshinari Saiki, a classmate across the hall. Saiki isn't concerned about paying attention in class since he is preoccupied with intricate settings made from a variety of materials, ranging from an extension domino course on his desk to a treacherous war fought with shogi pieces. Yukoi tries desperately to concentrate in class, only to get caught into his fascinating quirkiness, which usually seems to result in her getting in trouble with their teacher. Fortunately, with Saiki's prank on the scene, lessons will never be boring. And with that, we end up everything for this video as there are still so many anime recommendations I want to share with you. But for that, we have to make another video, folks. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to look forward for our upcoming videos. Comment your opinion and tell us have you watched it or not. Till then, I'll see you next time.